Hi, so OpenCRVS is free to use. It's open source, but of course that doesn't mean that there's no cost involved at all in hosting OpenCRVS. And so we provide this template which explains the kind of ongoing costs that are associated with running OpenCRVS. Obviously, the first item in the list is hosting. You're obviously going to need to pay for servers and whatever VPN and license that you have for the VPN. And we strongly recommend that you pay for Sentry. So Sentry will help you log all your kind of potential errors in the application and then redirect any errors to your Slack channel so you can respond to issues and fix bugs. So Sentry is a small cost. You're going to need a Docker Hub account to store your repositories. So that would be your country config code as it gets built and uploaded to Docker Hub. This is where your servers will pull all of the images from here. And you're going to need a GitHub account. You're going to need a GitHub organization so that you can manage members in your team and remove them from admin rights or add new admins in following due diligence, and private repositories to keep your country configuration private. So this obviously has a cost associated. You're going to need a password manager to store your environment secrets and ensure that only authorized individuals have access to those passwords. You don't want to be storing those passwords in text files or anything insecure like that. You're going to want to make sure that it's inside a robust password manager and that you know who has access to those passwords at all times. You're going to need an SMTP service for sending emails, potentially a service for sending SMS messages. And so, services like Twilio or Infobip, things like that, you're going to need a comms gateway. We strongly recommend that you have a collaboration tool like Slack, and we've talked about how OpenCRVS is configured to redirect alert messages to Slack, and that can really help you ensure that no one person is a bottleneck for any alerts that happen from the system. By using Slack, you can share responsibility across the team. And optionally, you can add in other tools like SolarWinds Papertrail or Pingdom to have third-party cloud-managed storage of your system logs. You can implement that in our Ansible playbooks and ensure that you can do forensic analysis externally to your server if anything really, really bad happened to your server room. You'd have a way of forensically finding out what went wrong. So these are some of the accompanying tools that you will need. The ones which are required are marked as such, and ones which are optional, and it's really up to you whether you want to make use of them. And the costs associated are kind of roughly entered here for per user costs, accurate to the day when this spreadsheet was created. So we're not talking about a huge amount of money here. It's a very small amount of money, but these tools will make a huge difference to your monitoring maintenance capabilities, and some of them are just essential in order to deploy OpenCRVS. Thank you.